Then Todd Bubba Horwitz. He is with BubbaTrading.com. And once again, you might remind our viewers and listeners, Todd, BubbaTrading.com has some unique information on there. You might remind them what they can find on that website.
Well, our goal at Bubba Trading is to help farmers and producers put together a good marketing plan, learn how to hedge. And if you go to BubbaTrading.com, we offer a lot of reports, and we're going to do a webinar in a couple of weeks. I really try to educate everybody because I want you to understand how the price movement works and how to actually defend yourself while leaving yourself the ability to make more if we go up. And that's kind of what we work on. It's a synthetic model that we make sure that we've always got protection to the downside, but always unlimited profit potential to the upside, which is the way we like to be.
All right, so we had pretty good gyrations going on yesterday in that soybean trade especially, but you know the cattle market has had a big run here ever since late last week. We had the live cattle in October. I think they were limit up Friday, and then they were higher yesterday. We had follow-through buying. Today, what's going on?
Well, I think cattle looks pretty good. You know, you were out of town, I believe, last week. I was talking to Mark, but I thought that, you know, when we broke the 100 and the fats and got down to 99 and change, that to me it looked like that was a total meltdown, even more in the cash market, that they were selling everything. They didn't care. They wanted out. And to me, that was a great opportunity to step in and buy. And I thought we had a great shot to go to 106, which is right where the high was yesterday. It was 106. And now we pulled back. We're down about, last I looked, $1.05 at 104.65. But that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback, probably 104 or 103. But again, I like the cattle here. I think we're at great prices. I think we have a chance to go higher from here. But again, there has to be a little turbulence. I don't like it when they make those straight up or straight down moves because those are typically wrong. So here we've had a nice bounce off the bottom. We rallied into a resistance spot, a natural spot that you'd expect to see selling. Now we're going to come back into what should be support, which should be about 103, 104. I think there you look to be a buyer. I think you got to be really calm about yourself because we're going to have some volatility, especially as volatility picks up in the rest of the economy. It'll also bring some here because there will be some new money coming in here too, as well to buy to try to speculate a little bit. And I think, and the feeders have done similar and are now they got up to like 134 or so in October. I think down here at 131 or so, 130. That's where we want to buy them. They're down about $2 so far, but I think that's okay. I mean, again, nobody likes me to say lower prices are okay, but it's okay to back and fill a little bit because if we're going to build and go higher, it's going to be much stronger, and it builds a much stronger rally as we move on. So that's what I think we want to look at. And then if you take a look at the hogs, they're down now. I just bought hogs right before, just over 58 in October, and they got cracked. They're now, last I looked, they're at 57.50, trading down about $1.70. Now, I think that if they don't get back above 58, I'm going to be concerned. I thought 58 in October was a key level, and they're really slamming them in December as well. But overall, we're lower across the board, but it's not bad. I think it's more healthy that we see this kind of action. I think you build a better base and move forward. So we got feeders down about $2. We've got fats down about over $1, and hogs down about $1.70.
All right, Todd, great information. Thanks for analyzing everything. There's a lot to consider. Appreciate that very much. Todd Horwitz, he's with BubbaTrading.com. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, Marlon.
All right.